Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by working directly in a helper column so you can keep originals. Select the cells with text and insert a column to the right. Make sure each entry uses spaces between words and remove leading or trailing spaces with trim if needed. Now type the formula to locate the last space. This finds where the final word begins. Once you have that position, you'll use left to extract everything before it. But first confirm the helper column is active and cell references are correct. Now build the formula. Use substitute to replace the NTH space and find to get its position, specifically substitute text. Char 1 len trim text, len substitute trim text. Once you have that index, use left text, index 1, to return all characters before the last space. Wrap with IFER to return the original text or blank for single word cells. Make sure to lock references with $, if copying and test on varied rows so the logic holds. Fill the helper formula down the column and inspect several entries to confirm the last words are removed correctly. When satisfied, copy the helper column and paste special values over the originals, then delete the helper. Make sure to reapply trim if stray spaces appear. If you see errors, check that references are correct, that text uses plain spaces, not non-breaking spaces, and that IFER handling covers single word cells. Finally, save a backup before mass edits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.